Hey folks, it's Dylan here from Eat Wild. I want to show you how I use the iHunter app to make me a better hunter. I have a series of short videos here on the tools that I use in the app for planning, for accessing and implementing hunts, and ultimately how to ensure that I get home safe at the end of it all, and hopefully after a successful hunt. So I'll show you how I leverage the app to do my e-scouting ahead of the trip and plan for the hunt, how I use the app to plan a hunt for the day when I'm in the field, how I'm able to read terrain and pick good spots to hunt. I'm going to show you how I use the app to make sure that I can go wander around for the day and just be certain that I'm going to be able to find my way back to camp. And I'm going to show you how I use the basic function of the apps to ensure that I'm hunting in legal areas, that I'm using the regulations and being able to check wind in real time. There's a whole bunch of features that are going to make this app right for you and make you a safer, legal, and ultimately a better hunter. So hopefully you find these videos helpful. Right on.